Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and now we will have a new episode of Trading Tips 101. So this all videos is related to trading whenever you see on the title on my YouTube channel. Again, this is another good episode since I will give you some tips on trading. But first, disclaimer note that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a professional 100% expert traders. Okay, so this is just an advice and information that I'm giving you away, and it's up to you whether you want to try this on your trading. Okay, so I hope you enjoy my episode for today. So all this trading episode is all about alligator indicator. So how can we see an alligator indicator? First of all, if you are in the trading view, okay, in the indicators and strategy, just type alligator, okay, and William Alligator will be shown on your search, and just click it, and definitely that indicator will show up. And in this indicator, you will see three lines. Yes, this is a similar to moving average, but totally different trading strategy. So this alligator indicator was invented by Bill Williams during 1995. He is a forex icon trader. He's a very well known, and he uses these three lines, which are actually the moving average with a spin. So the totally different compared to the EMA 9, EMA 20, EMA 200. So this is called alligator indicator. Market trends and market range in the tree line of the alligator indicator, known as JOES, tits and lips, is designed to alert traders to the presence of either of those markets. So a trader can determine if they will use range trading strategy or other breakout strategy. So the good thing here, guys, is you can see a composition of three lines. Okay, one is the green. Okay, this is the green, the red, and the blue. So each is represented by a moving average or candle average of each candle, as you remember my discussion about the moving average. So how can you use this alligator indicator? First of all, there is a composition of three lines. The green, this is line represent the alligator lips. Okay, so this is the alligator lips. Why it's called alligator, I will discuss it to you later. So first, it is a 5-period smoothed moving average. Displays 3 periods to the right. Okay, so 3 periods to the right. And the red color, the red line, represent the alligator teeth. So this is the lips, the teeth, okay, and it is an 8-period smoothed moving average that plays 5 periods to the right. So this is the red one. The blue one represents the alligator's jaw. It is 13 periods smoothed to the moving average and displays 8 period in the right. The above is the default Bill Williams alligator setting. Okay, so you have to know the 3 stages of Bill Williams alligator. What is these 3 stages? First, we have the alligator is sleeping, and we have also the alligator is waking up, okay, and the alligator is eating, and then falling asleep again. Even in downtrend, the alligator is sleeping, and alligator is eating in the downtrend. Okay, so what does it mean? How do you define that the alligator is sleeping or waking up? The sign of sleeping alligator are when 3 lines are close to each other. If you can see in this picture, they are close to each other. This is course translate to low volatility, and trading should be avoided during this period. So it means, the meaning of this is the alligator is sleeping, and when the lines are close to each other and the teeth, the jaws are not in action, so meaning this is not time to trend. It's similar with the moving average, the EMA 9, 50, 100, and 200. Once it crosses the price action, this is not time to make a trading, okay, buy or sell. So how do you use now the alligator? First, we already know the first stage. The alligator is sleeping. Now, when the alligator is waking up, so usually this is the time when the lips of the alligator cross the teeth. Okay, so where is the lips of the alligator? The lips is the green one. Okay, so we'll make it simple. Usually this is the time when the lips of the alligator, the green line, cross the teeth or the red line, and the jaws, the blue line. If the lips cross the other two lines in the upward fashion, we have an awakening bullish alligator. So if the lips cross the other lines in the downward fashion, we have an awakening bearish alligator. So this is just a trend, okay, to help you to trend and to position yourself where to buy and to take a long position or short position. Now we will go to the other one. The alligator is eating, so this is when we should also be eating, but not burger, not anything literally, but it means profit for us as a trader. So this is the time when we buy have a long position, and as you can see, there is now an uptrend because all jaws of the alligator is open. So you can now buy on this position, from this position upward. Okay, so I hope this is a simple indicator that will help you. Now we will move to the actual test of this position. As you remember, when the alligator is sleeping, you do nothing. Okay, now there is an overlap here, and the alligator mouth jaws are starting to open upward, if you can see it, upward. Okay, so this is the time to buy. Okay, let's see if we are on the right track, just for example. Okay, so we are here, so it's downtrend. You will not take any position here. Remove our drawings. Okay, now as you can see, there is an overlap here. Okay, from here you take your position already, and we know there is a breakout from the sleeping alligator. So from here, for example, okay, the alligator is going up and start eating. Okay, you can see some movement here, and then you stop from this side. Why you stop? You can see that there is a possible closing of the mouth of the alligator. So just to be safe, you can take your profit already here. So imagine here, from here and this side, okay, there is a profit already. So we are in Bitcoin and USDT. So from 51,800 to 53,600, and imagine that if you will compute from here to here, it's around 300% already. If you have a 100 times leverage, if you do it. Okay, so definitely there is an income already on this side. So this is the downtrend of uptrend. Okay, we have uptrend, we have advancing, we have declining, different kind of market pace. Next time I'll discuss it on my other video. So now we will go to the bearish crocodile signal, alligator signal. Okay, this is the bearish. There is an overlap, intertwined of the lips, jaws of teeth and jaws of the crocodile. Okay, So now the crocodile start eating in a downtrend, in a bearish signal, big bearish trend. Okay, so from this side up to this side, you can take your profit here. Okay, how do you know? First, you can take your profit here on this side, but still there is no overlap on this side of the line. So without overlap, you can continue to, there is only a minor retracement. You can continue your trading, or you can close it immediately if you want, no problem, and have a new position of trading. So one position here, take profit, and another position here, take profit. So this is sell position, okay, a short position. So definitely you can see how accurate the alligator indicator, whenever there is an intertwined, okay, overlap of the lips jaw, the green red going upward, this is time to sell. Okay, and it's go up, and there is a good position also. So definitely there is only, you have to be patient on this side when the alligator is sleeping. But once you see the trend, okay, once you see the trend, definitely you will have a nice profit with this. So imagine this now fully open. Make sure that the alligator mouth is fully open. Okay, so I hope you understand now the alligator strategy, and just to make sure, you can add another indicator to confirm whatever trend. It's the best way on trading to have some confluence of which indicator you can use. We have a lot of indicators right now that you can use. You can add one or two, whatever comfortable. For this episode, you can use this as a replacement for your moving MN 50 100 to see the market trend. But definitely, I don't suggest you to use the alligator indicator with the other moving average. It will be too complicated for you. Better to use other indicator like other oscillator with the alligator indicator. And I hope you like my presentation right now. To make a summary, just make sure you know when not to trade. When the sleeping alligator, when the alligator is sleeping. Now, when the alligator is waking up, there is an intertwine of the lines, and that is time to take profit. Okay, so for a declining one, you can see also there is an intertwine. For this is the time to have a short position or to sell in trading, and definitely you can cross whenever intertwined also of the line. So this is the short one, the bearish signal of the alligator, and this is the bearish or bullish signal of the alligator. So just make sure, don't make any trade whenever the alligator is sleeping. I hope you enjoyed this trading tips 101 for today, and thank you again for watching here and Earn Money at Home Worldwide. Just make sure to read the disclaimer note on this video.